We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about how to set views in Sheet. Layout is SketchUp tool designed for the creation of architectural documents from your SketchUp model. You can export the layout into image, PDF, DWG formats. Let's move to the video for more details. Here I am opening a project in SketchUp. Here I have already created some scenes of this project. How to set scenes is already discussed in our previous videos. Go to File menu. Select Send to Layout. Select paper size you want from the template dialog box. Now a layout is opened with a scene. First scale that scene. And create copies. For creating copies, first select the scene, then hold the Ctrl key and drag the mouse for placing remaining scenes to the layout. First, select the copy view and then right click on it and select scenes from the drop down list. Repeat the procedure for import all scenes. Go to File menu. You can save your layout or export it into image, PDF, DWG formats. Any updation occur in the scene will be reflected in layout only after completing these steps. First, update the scene in the model and save the SketchUp file. Then, select a scene in the layout.